Good evening. I'm spot on weather meteorologist Matthew Euler, and here's your short range weather forecast for Southeastern Virginia over the next 72 hours. I first want to say happy belated Thanksgiving to everyone out there, and I apologize for not posting a video recently for a forecast for Southeastern Virginia as Christmas decorations are starting to go up here at Spot On Weather. So let's roll right into it. Let's get right into what's most important, and that is your weather forecast. All right, taking a look at the infrared satellite image as of 19:15 Eastern Standard Time, or 7:15 this evening, we have a stretch of cloudiness that is currently spreading into the area from the west, and a whole area of moisture that's pooled along this frontal boundary off to the west. As indicated by the radar, you can see quite some heavy thunderstorms from northern Alabama into central Tennessee, into western Kentucky, and even creeping up into southern Indiana. A lot of heavy rain out to the west of our area here in southeastern Virginia. There are a few showers that are sitting off to the west. However, we are not expecting any rainfall tonight. Those will simply move north of the area, and they're very light in the form of rain shower activity. Okay, looking at the forecast valid for 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Tuesday, November 29th, tomorrow. What we're expecting is a high pressure that has been in control of our weather the last 2 days, has been situated right over southeastern Virginia, has moving off, sliding off to the east-southeast over the western Atlantic. On the backside of high pressure systems, the winds generally flow clockwise like this. So we get a southerly and southwesterly type wind component on the backside of high pressure systems. So we have a lot of warmth, warmer conditions and windier conditions too. These lines represent lines of equal barometric pressure. They're known as isobars. And the closer they are spaced together, the tighter the pressure gradient and the stronger the winds will blow. So we're expecting some gusty southerly winds tomorrow. You will feel that throughout your Tuesday as well as on Wednesday. You can see that the rain is mainly off to the west of our area, actually to the north and the west, over D.C., back over Richmond, Charlottesville, Blacksburg, on down into Asheville area and into Atlanta. So there's a really good soaking rain event going on tonight as well as into tomorrow over these states which have had bad forest fires. So it's kind of good news. Meanwhile, back over the upper Midwest, there is a 989 millibar low pressure system. You can see a lot of blue here. That's the snowfall into the Dakota states especially. Okay, so what can we expect? So for tomorrow, it'll be scattered showers over the area, nothing too heavy. And moving on now to the forecast valid 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Wednesday, November 30th, the main heavy rain threat begins to show itself as a secondary area of upper level troughing develops. You see a lot more yellows and darker greens. That's indicative of very heavy rainfall. Again, this is good news for areas to the west of southeastern Virginia because there's been forest fires and extremely dry conditions over Alabama, Georgia. So this is really good news for them. This will also be our main activity, our main line of scattered thunderstorms and some rain showers, which will eventually push in to southeastern Virginia, the Hampton Roads area, Wednesday night and into early Thursday morning. And then finally in our short-range forecast, here's the forecast valid 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Thursday, December 1st. As we close the books on the month of November and move into December, we have a cold front that's going to be positioned offshore, and we have the rain shower activity moving offshore by late morning, Thursday morning. So we have cooler, drier air building in. There's a 990 millibar low there off of Maine. As the flow around that low pressure system will bring in west-northwesterly drying winds into the area, and temperatures will be cooling off. So the final short-range forecast thoughts for Southeast Virginia, we are going to expect to see much warmer and windy conditions, strong and gusty southerly winds on Tuesday, tomorrow, and Wednesday. Those strong southerly winds this time of year really bring in some warmer, moisture air from the Gulf of Mexico area. Wind speeds, we're expecting 15 to 25 mile per hour winds on Tuesday and Wednesday with high temperatures in the lower to middle 70s. The normal high right now for this time of year is actually 59 degrees. So we're looking at being 11 to 16 degrees above normal for high temperatures both Tuesday and Wednesday. After the cold front moves through, conditions will cool off, as I mentioned, on Thursday. Now, take the umbrella with you, but we will just have periods of rain showers from Tuesday through Thursday. Expecting lighter, more scattered rain showers on Tuesday and Tuesday night. Wednesday as well, some isolated to scattered rain showers. Wednesday night will be the main rain event for Southeastern Virginia and Hampton Roads. So the heaviest rain showers will be on Wednesday night and early Thursday morning. And then we'll have a cold frontal passage on Thursday morning, ushering a cooler and drier air. So temperatures will cool back down into the 50s on Thursday for highs. And that is all for now. It's looking really good out there right now. The conditions are cloudy. We are starting to warm up already. Temperature of 50. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Twitter, Spot On Weather, as well as the YouTube channel. All right, everyone have a great evening. And if you're not spot on, we're not doing it right, folks. Have a good evening.